Motors are in place. Not really much to report. Everything was pretty straightforward. So looking in here, I did the left ones first, front and back, then the right ones, again front and back, and then finally put on the rear ones. When you look at these, you'll notice that they're oval screw holes. There's one either side and there's two at the top there. Keep them slack initially, that way you can pull this whole thing over to the side, loop the belt over, then push it back. Once you've tightened that belt, then by pushing it back, you can do the screws up nice and tight, and that will lock the belt in good. Similar for the rear one, only this one, big long loops coming down. You keep that slack, push up, get this belt on over both of these wheels, let it drop under its own weight, and then tighten it up good. And that takes care of the rear motors. Still got all the power cables dangling at the moment, so I've stuck them outside the frame so I don't end up stepping on them or pulling on them. And I think the next chapter is Z-axis belt adjuster. So that means I'm going to be crawling around on my feet doing something down there. All right, let's give it a go.